guys, welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday. For breakfast this morning, I decided to make Sean and I some banana pancakes. Now these are my absolute favorite pancakes. I've made them before in another What I Eat in a Day vlog over on my vlogging channel. I'll make sure to link that video down below. A while back I did a series for a whole week where I filmed every single day what I ate the entire day. And in that series, one of the videos, I ended up making these pancakes. So I'll make sure to include that video if you want to go watch that as well. But these are my favorite pancakes, and I thought that we could use them this morning, so I went ahead and made some. And then we also had coffee per usual. Then later in the day for lunch, we decided to make some burrito bowls. So we just cooked up a ton of stuff. We made homemade guacamole, homemade pico de gallo. We sauteed up some yellow peppers, onions, and mushrooms. And then we also cooked up a pot of brown rice and then threw a can of black beans in a pot with some seasonings, which was amazing. And then once everything was ready, we just kind of threw it all together with some lettuce and then called that our lunch. And for dinner, I'm going to be making us one of my absolute all-time favorite recipes, and it is Brussels Alfredo. So it's got Brussels sprouts, and then I used linguine and then an Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna be making that for dinner. It's by Minimalist Baker. I'll make sure to link the recipe down below, and you guys can check out the recipe, and then their entire site has a ton of absolutely amazing recipes on it, so you need to go check that out. So right now I'm gonna start throwing that together for dinner. Alright you guys, I'm gonna sit down with my big bowl of pasta here and eat my dinner, but that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed getting to see everything that I ate today, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. But other than that, I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.